Welcome to this video, where I'm going to teach you how to start making money with affiliate marketing. If you're starting from scratch, this is the perfect video for you. I'm excited to record this because recently I've received many comments from people who want to understand how affiliate marketing works, how to get started in digital sales, and how this business model, one of the fastest growing globally, actually functions. So, in this video, I'm going to explain what affiliate marketing is and how you can start step by step from zero. And at the end, I'll even show you my actual earnings and commissions from platforms like Hotmart and explain how I make those sales and earn money online consistently. Let's start with the basics. What is affiliate marketing? Essentially, it's about promoting other people's or companies' products in exchange for a commission on every sale you generate. The best part is, you don't have to deal with shipping, inventory, or even product creation. In fact, I would say this is one of the best ways to get started in the digital world. Affiliate marketing works with all kinds of products: online courses, physical books, ebooks, software, automation tools, and even AI platforms. Practically, any product you can think of probably has an affiliate program. Many people think affiliate marketing is a modern concept born with the internet, but it actually goes way back. Think about this. When you go to a store and talk to a sales assistant who helps you buy a fridge or washing machine, they get a commission for that sale. That's basically traditional affiliate marketing, just offline. The digital world simply made it more scalable. Now, I want to make an important distinction. Affiliate marketing is very different from multi-level marketing, MLM. In affiliate marketing, you sell a product and earn a one-time commission, often quite high, between 50% and 80%, because there are no shipping costs or overhead expenses. MLM, on the other hand, is more about recruiting people to build a team or a network, often like a pyramid. You invite someone, who invites others, who invite more people. Be cautious, because some MLMs are actually pyramid schemes. Back to affiliate marketing. To make money with it, you need to attract traffic, meaning people who are interested in the product or service. In this video, I'll show you how I do it and give you the foundations to get started with this business model. Why is affiliate marketing such a profitable business model? First, you don't need to create your own product. As an affiliate, you just find a product that aligns with your interests and start promoting it on social media, through traffic campaigns or any method that brings people in. Second, and this is important, subscribe to this channel and give this video a like. These videos take a lot of effort. I have a full team behind the scenes helping me, so the best way you can support this work is by hitting the like button and subscribing. Third, you can do this from anywhere in the world. All you need is a computer, a phone, and a good internet connection. It doesn't matter where you are. You can create content, run campaigns, make YouTube videos, and receive commissions globally. The platforms usually pay in dollars, and then the money is automatically converted into your local currency when transferred to your bank. Fourth, you can earn lifetime, recurring commissions. For example, I promote software tools and memberships that pay me every month, even long after the initial sale. This is one of the best ways to build passive income. At first, you may make a few sales, but over time it snowballs into a business that can generate money even when you're not working actively. Fifth, you don't have to handle customer support. That's the job of the product owner. However, be cautious. If the product's customer service is poor, you might get a lot of refunds. So choose high-quality products with great support. Sixth, in many cases, you don't even have to sell directly. I just send traffic to the producer's funnel on platforms like Hotmart, ClickBank, or Digistore24. They handle the sales, email follow-ups, and automation, and I still get the commission. For example, I may offer something free to get people into the funnel. The producer collects the lead, does all the marketing, and when someone buys, even days later, I get paid. Platforms like Hotmart guarantee that the affiliate gets credit if the customer came through your unique link. And here's another benefit. You don't need a big investment. I started 100% organically, just creating videos on YouTube, Instagram, sharing value-based content, all without spending a cent on ads. The barrier to entry is really low. Anyone can start with just a phone and internet access. To succeed in digital sales, you really need one key thing: a winning product. A good product with a strong sales page, irresistible offer, and solid after-sales service. I'll leave a link to another video where I explain how to choose a winning product, but in general, you can go for either physical or digital products. If you choose physical products, I highly recommend becoming an Amazon affiliate. They have a great affiliate program. When someone clicks your link and buys within 24 hours, you earn a commission, even if it's not the product you originally promoted. So, if you want to promote books or tech gadgets, Amazon is the place to go. But if you prefer to sell courses, ebooks, memberships, or any digital product, Hotmart is the best platform. The key is choosing a product that solves a specific problem. For example, I promote health-related products like diet plans and intermittent fasting programs. I focus on helping people who struggle with weight loss, a niche I personally relate to because I used to be overweight myself. Once you choose your product, you need to generate traffic. You can use content marketing to take advantage of organic traffic on platforms like Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube. For instance, create YouTube videos answering questions people are already searching for, like how to lose weight in 30 days. Share some tips, make a valuable 10-minute video, and promote your affiliate product at the end with a link in the description. On TikTok, you can direct people to your bio to click your affiliate link. On Instagram, I create high-value content and ask people to comment something like, "I want it," to trigger an automation and send them the product link. Let me now show you how I personally earn affiliate commissions. I'll open a private browser and go to YouTube. I have some videos ranked for tools I promote. For example, if I search System.io tutorial, I appear among the top results. In the video, I teach people how to build a free funnel using System.io, and in the description, I place my affiliate link. If people click it and subscribe to a paid plan, I earn a lifetime commission. System pays 60% recurring commissions. I've already earned thousands with this strategy. I can even track all the leads I've sent to their funnel, and remember, the product creator does the rest of the work. They handle the emails, sales, and support. I just drive the traffic and collect the commissions. I also promote products in the health niche, where I post diet content on Instagram. I run launches twice a year, and also have some evergreen funnels running. I post short videos and ask people to comment "I want it" if they're interested in my weight loss method. Then, I automate a message with ManyChat that sends them all the info. I have a full tutorial on that here on the channel. Go check it out. It's super valuable. As you can see, I get hundreds of comments like "I want it," and that's how I make recurring sales. Some days I earn $255, other days $100, and in the last month alone I made over $2,900 with these strategies. I tried to make this video as practical and clear as possible, so you have no doubts and can start building your own affiliate marketing business. If you want me to make a video showing my exact affiliate strategies for Instagram and Hotmart, just comment the word "affiliate" below, and I'll be happy to share everything with you in an upcoming video. I'll also be answering as many comments as I can. If you want a more personal reply, feel free to message me directly. I also post behind-the-scenes content of my business there. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel. I've shared everything. My commissions, the platforms I use, my YouTube channel, my health page. All of it. So if you made it this far, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.